Hello, this is Joseph with Miami Real Estate Images. I wanted to create a brief video showing our new property website and marketing kit and kind of how to navigate through the process. So I'm going to get right into it. There's two ways you can access the back end of the property website. One is you can go log in directly to the back end of our website, which is sites.miamirealestateimages.com. You can also go to www.miamirealestateimages.com, click book now, and that'll take you to the login page. Or if you're a previous client, you can log in. If you don't know your password, just go through the process of forgot the password link, and it'll allow you to create a new password so you can easily access the back end of our portal. And the second way we could do it is open up the email you sent. Okay, so once you open up the email, you'll see some links here. This is the branded property website link, the unbranded link. These are links for both branded and unbranded videos, and the Matterport branded and unbranded links. Then you have here the total marketing kit, the downloads photos link. This is a little deceiving because it says download photos, but you can download all the content here. Photos, videos, virtual tours, whatever we provide will all be downloaded through this link. And then this is a property owner preview. This is something you can send your clients to show them the photos before you're going live. And then of course you can share any of these things on social media with a simple click. I'm going to show you how to set up your social media on the back end as well. And then here you can access your account. So you can also access the account by clicking this link here. So let's go ahead and get into the marketing kit. Let's click that. So this has been completely redesigned to be super easy to use, and it provides you a ton of resources for social media and just content to market your listing. At the top it says thank you for upgrading. Your marketing kit is ready. You can go ahead here to the profile and property info. You'll see three links. So let's go ahead and click this first one. This is where we add the property information. Here you're going to put your listing price, your room count, your square footage, MLS number, lot size if you have it. You can change this at any time by logging in, so if price gets reduced or whatever the case may be, you need to update this. This is always accessible on the back end of the portal. After adding the property info, you can go ahead and upload your profile photo and logo if you haven't already. So this is simple. It takes you straight here. You can upload your photos. I'll show you an example here. I happen to have her logo. I'm going to go ahead and add that there. So now that's in there. And then lastly, there's update profile data. Here's where you can put in your name, your number, your email address, home address, all your social media pages. This will automatically be linked. If you fill in this information with LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, these will automatically be available on your property website. So if a client clicks the social media link, it'll take them right to your page. Okay, after updating your profile data, we'll scroll down and we'll see all the things that are in your marketing kit. All right, let's get into the marketing kit a little bit. At the very top, we have all our social media videos. This is fantastic new product that we're offering. It makes things so easy for you to have marketing for your social media platforms. I believe this provides you about 15 videos. You can click this here to see more of them. So it'll basically take all the photos we provided, all your property information, your headshot, your logo, your agent information will all automatically put in here. And there's several templates just listed, sold. So, they even have customizable ones during the holidays that come out for New Year's, Christmas. And you can download these as is, or you can click edit and completely customize them. Editing is super easy. Let's just say you didn't want this photo or you want to change all the photos. All you do is click the actual photo. To the right, you're going to see all the photos we took, and you can choose any one you want, and you can replace these. You can also get into them and shift them around a little. So let's just say the photo is not taking the part of the view you really wanted. You can go ahead and adjust that here. Really nice and easy, completely customizable, but not necessary. You can really just use these as is. And I would just download one of these a day and post it. That's what it's designed for, You got the just listed one here. I'll press play on one. These are great little videos that you can utilize, and we're still working on more things for the future. Hopefully by the end of the year, we can start incorporating some of the reels videos that we shoot into these and it'll be a very nice added bonus. We also have a stories and reels section here. And again, you can view more. So there's just so many options here for you guys. It's really an amazing product. The clients who are using it love it, and the clients who aren't, I think, are missing out substantially on a great marketing resource for listings and for marketing yourself as an agent as well. So you'll also have open house ones, sold, just listed. There's a ton of different options here. Those are landscape. So landscape would be more for social media like Facebook, things like that. So a ton of options here, guys. Then you have square posts. These can be used for Instagram as well. And then we have a template specifically for Pinterest. And then you have the branded and unbranded property website. So you can copy them here as well as in the email that I had mentioned earlier. You can edit the design. Let's go back here. Let's go step by step. So you can download QR codes here. Boom. And then you can put those on a flyer. And then anytime someone takes a picture of this QR code, it'll take them directly to your property website and marketing kit. So you can copy the branded and unbranded links here. So for example, I could just hit copy, and then I could go on Facebook or whatever and post this, and they'll be taken directly to the property website here. And this was the branded version. You can also do the same with the unbranded version. As you can see, the property websites offer all the details on the property, offers the photo gallery, the floor plans, whatever media that you had purchased from us. Okay, if you continue to scroll down, next you're going to see your branded and unbranded property website. This is where you can customize your property website, download links, things of that nature. So as you can see here, all our websites also come with QR codes. So this is fantastic, especially if you're doing flyers and stuff like that. You can always print these on the flyers, and anybody who takes a photo of this will be taken directly to the property website. And it's a great opportunity for them to see the complete marketing kit and website. So all the details of the property can be highlighted in one cohesive package, and just super nice because it's easy just to send the link with everything in it. You don't have to send separate links, which is phenomenal. So let's get into it. You can copy the branded link here. You can copy the unbranded link. Copy and paste the unbranded link into the virtual tour portion of the MLS. This way, anybody who's logged into the MLS who clicks the virtual tour link will be taken directly to the property website. So this is basically what they'll be taken to. This says sold because I'm just using this as an example, but this is great because you have your slideshow at the top, followed by, if you did video, you have your videos, your property details. This guy did a full kit, so he did the virtual tour. He has all his property details labeled out here nicely, and then his photo gallery, and of course floor plans, and then his property information. So all this is in one space. The unbranded version won't have these details here, as we're trying to adhere to the guidelines of the MLS. So here with this link, you could completely edit the design of the websites. If you click site design, this is going to give you 10 different templates to choose from of different property website options. You can totally customize them to your liking. So you find the one you like, and then there's different colors. So you want to try to match your branding. So if your logo is blue, find a nice blue one that matches it, and then go from there. So this way you have a cohesive product and your branding is all consistent. Once you're in here as well, you can change a lot of things. You could change the site. If you go to the site media tab, you can rearrange the photos in any order you want simply by clicking, dragging, and dropping. So you can customize the order the photos are going to be shown in. You can also update any of the site data. Here's where you can put your property description. So you can add any noteworthy amenities right here in this space. And then next, I'll show you quickly the site activation tab. This property is sold, but you can have it as pending, live, offline, and you also have all your links here that you can access if you log in at any time in the site activation section, and it'll have the branded website, unbranded website, and all the different downloads for you. After you customize your property website, the last thing you have here is your print ready flyers. Again, here's the QR code I mentioned earlier, which is great. Anybody could just take a picture of that and take them right to the property website. And these are all totally customizable as well, easy to do simply by opening it up. Click any photo you want to change, and then you can select the photo you want. That's it. Lastly, we have the weekly traffic reports. This is an amazing feature. This allows you to basically show your sellers what you got going on, and let me get right into it and show you an example. So let's view our current report. Obviously, this is a sold listing, so it's not going to have all the stats that a new listing would, but it has your information in here. It has the most clicked photos. It also has where people are visiting from. So a lot of people from Oakland Park, 1.1 thousand people from Oakland Park viewed this property. Um, it shows you 20% viewed from the MLS, the Matrix, 17 from Facebook, 16 from highrise.com. So wherever you're putting this property website, it's trackable, which is fantastic. So you can show clients, hey, I had 20 new visitors this week, 10 of them returned, and it basically just gives you information. You can print this, you can email this to your clients as well. So that's basically it for now. I just wanted to do a brief video. I'm just getting this new platform in my hands, so I still have a lot to learn, and I'm sure I can better explain a lot of this in the next coming months, but I wanted to make a brief video just to show you guys some of the basics. Thank you for doing business with us.